Hey guys, Sydney here at Mercedes-Benz Scarborough. Today we got this 2023 Mercedes GT 53 AMG. Now this is just an absolutely beautiful car that we got in. The paint on it is really nice. It's got the matte finish on it. Now down here we got the upgraded brakes right here. We got the slotted rotors with the big calipers on it. Those are really nice with the nice wheels on it as well. This car has a really nice black trim on it as well. That's from the AMG line package. We got the quad tips right here. And the super cool spoiler. You know, if you don't want this up like this, it goes right back down as well. And just to show you guys the trunk. We got tons of trunk space back here. This is a really nice space we got. And just to show you right here, we have a compartment as well. And another speaker that we got back here too. And then just to shut it, you just press the button. And to show you guys the back seat in this car, the interior is really nice in this car. It's got the red pepper leather interior. It's actually the Syntex leather, and then it's got some suede on it as well. Tons of room back here. A few little ports to plug some devices in. And a little compartment here as well to plug a few other things in. We also got the full panoramic roof. And then to show you guys the front. Now this is where the excitement is. It's just so many features that this car has to offer. We got the carbon fiber trim, which is really nice on the car. Upgraded sound system, the Burmeister. Alright, so I'm not going to start it because we're inside, but I can turn the battery on to show you guys a few features. And all the controls are right down here. You can adjust your suspension. You can adjust the spoiler, the exhaust. It's got the track pace on it too, which is awesome, especially if you're going down to the racetrack. I know if you live in New England, we got one not too far from here. Yeah, the car's not started, but these are some pretty cool features that the track pace offers. If you were to drag race or go on a track or anything like that at all, you can log everything and you can actually search for tracks as well. And then, of course, you can change how you want this display to look. You can have your horsepower, your boost showing. You can have your engine torque as well. And then just tons and tons of features that this has to offer. This also has the ambient lighting feature in it, along with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and many other apps as well. And then on the seats right here, they are ventilated and they are heated, which is great. Alright, so that's just a little bit of this GT53 that we just got. This is a beautiful car that we had built and is now here. So definitely come and check this out. It has so much to offer and it's definitely something you don't want to miss.